Hey guys, welcome to IndusCore Tech. In this video we will make a comparative between the DenseNet and the ImageNet video models. Last time we did it between the ImageNet and the ImageNet video, and we get the highest score with this version of video, a score of 89%, near the 90%. So today we will just make a comparative. So always we are using the same ImageNet database. Here we have 89%. So let's go to make and build our script for this DenseNet. Here we will change our model to DenseNet 1-to-1. This is the name of the model. Here we will just change it to DenseNet for the pre-processing, and also here for the decode, of course here for the text windows. And let's see what score we will get. Don't forget to test many models in your project to see which one is the better one and build up your own dataset. Okay, this series of videos is just to make a comparison between all the models and teach you the models that we have in TensorFlow. So here we have 31, 63%. It's not as good as the ImageNet. We are far away from the 80%, so still to detect lagging images, the ImageNet is a better one. So that's all for me. Thank you for following me. Subscribe, put likes and comments below the video, and see you next video. Wassalamu alaikum. Take care.